guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these like glowing frames effect on CapCut PC. So you are just going to find any color that you like the frame to be. I'm just going to select this pink one. I'm just going to select the heart shape. Again, you can use any color. If you're not on there, it's in mask. I just selected this. Feather it out a little bit, and you're just going to right click, create compound clip, select the heart shape again and reverse that and create a heart shape. Then go to effects, find edge glow and add it inside of your effect. Sometimes it shows a lot, sometimes it doesn't. I guess you have to like really adjust the glow to like the end. You can try to add in the angel effect, but I don't know if it makes a difference. Just change the color. Then you're going to go to media and you're going to add in like a picture or anything that you want. I'm just going to add in this picture. And you're also going to mask that into the frame like so. That is it. Super simple. You can copy and paste it and like create a bigger heart shape, I guess, to create like more. Find that very cute. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!